have a son named Kingston. He's turning 9 in June, and I'm also expecting my second baby. It's a baby girl, and she's due to come in a couple weeks. Typically it takes me about, I'd say 20 minutes to get ready in the mornings. I do my basic makeup and then I head over to the salon and then I do my hair there. All the hot tools and all the styling stuff are at the salon, so I wait to do it there. But I'm expecting probably altering my regime in the morning, maybe simplifying it so I can do as much but like not take as long.
The first thing we are going to touch on in this 5-minute makeup video for moms is the Elate Universal Creams or any cream blush. So this is a really easy way to add color into your skin and just give yourself a nice natural glow when you're not feeling so radiant in the morning. So all you have to do is warm this up a bit in your fingers and work it right into the skin. So tapping it right on top of the cheeks. And another way that you can do this is warming it up on the back of your hand and using a blush brush. So if we're talking saving time, we are going to take the rest of the product that's on the back of our hand and just really lightly sweep it across the lid. You can also use a creamy champagne or pink highlighter to do the exact same thing. And you can brush it right onto the lips as well. One of our favorite techniques and extremely effective techniques for a quick makeup look in the morning is actually curling your lashes, and a lot of people tend to skip this step. So if you find that you have shorter lashes or lashes that aren't very curly and don't tend to show up, by using a eyelash curler, you're basically going to crimp those lashes up and they're going to look much longer and curlier. So you can do this step with or without mascara over top. And for this look, we chose to do mascara, and we are using the Elate Black Mascara, which is one of our favorites at the Green Beauty Collective. And you really want to get this right into the root, so pressing into the root and giving it a bit of wiggle and lifting those lashes up to create more length and volume. So this part of our makeup look is going to tie everything together. So this is reshaping and filling in the brows. So we're using the Elate Brow Balm for this look, and we're simply just filling in the gaps and connecting all the dots so that the eyebrows stand out but aren't too bold, so it brings a little bit of attention to your eyes. This will make a big difference if you're not used to filling in your eyebrows. And these are the final results for that 5-minute face using 4 products.
Okay, so my name is Betty, and I have 5 children, 1 boy, 4 girls. Elise is our youngest. Typically in the morning to get ready for myself after taking care of all the kids, getting them all ready, about 20 minutes. I exfoliate like 3 times out of the week, and then I use a face wash, and then of course toner every day. And then I moisturize once in the morning and then at night.
Oh, really?
Orally. Okay, close your eyes.
Oh,
Ready for a spritz?
So this is the same line?
This is Wild Hill Botanicals. This is our way. I just learned this. We're just going to throw this in, Jack. You can open your eyes for a second.
Okay.
So what you can do is just spray a little bit in your hands.
Yeah.
And then just lightly rub your hands together and then really lightly press it into your skin like that.
Okay.
Why don't you try that? I'll just spray it into your hands. And then press them and just press your skin. You're like, feel it, love it.
Oh yeah, it's really good.
Feel it, love it. Feel it.
So after pressing all of that beautiful toner into your skin, we are going to use a hyaluronic acid serum, and this one in particular is from Viva Skincare. Hyaluronic holds 1,000 times its weight in water, and it's naturally found in our skin. It's a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture to the skin, so adding a hyaluronic acid in your everyday skincare routine is going to pump up your moisture like crazy. Trick that we're showing here is something we made up at the Green Beauty Collective, and what we're doing is we're mixing our Elate Universal Cream in Celestial with our Wild Hill Botanicals Moisturizing Cream. And what this does is it brings a really beautiful luminescence to the skin, similar to a traditional MAC strobe cream. So you are going to get a bit of that glow coming right through that cream and hydrating the skin at the same time. The only other daytime skincare tip that we are going to give you is to absolutely make sure you're wearing sunscreen. And for Betty, we're not actually adding any makeup, but we are brushing her eyebrows up and putting on a little bit of moisturizing lip balm from Wild Hill Botanicals. And this is simply just grooming for that very nice no makeup look. We also got Betty to curl her own lashes to give them a bit of a lift and for them to show up more. She doesn't necessarily have to put on mascara after she's done curling. So we think this product is going to be very popular for all of those busy moms out there. This is the Coast Dry Shampoo, and this is super easy to use if you haven't had a chance to wash your hair in a few days. Don't worry, we've all done it. All you have to do is sprinkle a little bit of this powder into the roots and really massage it in. We also find you can tap it into your brush and then brush it through your hair. It will do the same thing. And we find that this powder does give a really nice volume as well. So coming up once Betty turns around is going to be the final skin look. So what we did is we used 3 skincare products and used a few makeup grooming techniques. We wanted to say a big thank you to Our Anak Community and Betty and Veronica for participating in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next week.